Oh.
What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm heading to Laguna Lake today to do some morning fishing, hoping today is a day I finally catch a bass there. I've been there a few times and every time we go out there I'm either skunked or I catch a turtle, so hoping today is the lucky day. But stay tuned guys, and I appreciate you guys for being here.
Oh. Oh man. Thank you, thank you. Oh. Oh. Holy shit. Oh man.
That's a good one.
Thank you, thank you. Oh man. Holy moly. £3.9. Wow. Oh man, look at that monster. Holy. There you go. Yeah. 3 pounds. Yeah. All right.
Be a little smarter next time.
Yep. There it goes.
There he goes.
Wow. That's the biggest bass I've ever caught.
Wow, that's the biggest bass I've seen.
You really?
Yeah.
Not even maybe 10-15 minutes that I got here. Did I catch that big boy? Wow, that was crazy. That was the biggest fish I've ever caught. And my first bass here at the Laguna Lake. Man, that was crazy. Oh. I don't know why I couldn't get the hook out for... Oh, the thing even came off. Oh, because I cut it, yeah, duh. Okay. Wow, that was crazy. What a day, or what a morning already. Let's get another one. Beautiful day out here, guys. Beautiful, beautiful day. Alright guys, I'm gonna be heading back right now, making my way back to the car. But first, I'm gonna try one more time, see if we can get on another one. There's a lot of bass that are schooling up, passing by, and not really taking anyone's lures actually. No one else has had much luck here. It's pretty hot out here right now. It's upper 80s, so they're probably going through it right now. But let's try to get one more. Oh, come on, guys. I think it's a bluegill. Yeah, it is. Nice. big old bluegill. Wow. This is my first bluegill here. Or first big old bluegill. Look at this guy. Oh my gosh. Look at this guy. Wow. See, buddy? Thanks for the catch. There you go. About does it. Ended on a good one. And I kept the worm. Let's go. So multi-species day. One big old bass and one big old bluegill. Let's go. Alright guys, time to head home. It's currently 1:03. It's almost 80 degrees. The heat definitely crept up on me. But we got 2 fish today. My biggest bass ever. And I'm pretty sure that was my biggest bluegill that I've ever caught. Overall, a good day. I'm going home happy. I appreciate you guys for watching. Remember, from skunks to slams, it's all for reals here. Peace out, guys.